Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and we're going to be making a fun birthday card today. So I'm getting my card base ready, 5.5 by 8.5, and putting a piece of designer paper, 4 by 5.25, over the top. And I have this little Awesome Otter from the Awesome Otter stamp set. I colored him and fussy cut him out and put the little birthday hat on his head with just a dab of glue. And so now I'm putting some Stampin' Dimensionals on him, and I decided to use a die cut circle as a backdrop. So now I'm going to take the sentiment and stamp it, and then using linen thread, I'm tying a loop to make a little banner, and I'm going to decide how long I want it to drape down in front of him, and then cut that off, tie a loop on the other end, and then trim those off a little bit, and then I'm going to attach each end to one paw with a mini glue dot. So once I do that, I can cut apart the sentiment, and it says it's birthday time, and I'm going to take the birthday and put that first because that's a center word, so it's going to go with a glue dot at the bottom there, and then put the other two words closer to his paw to make like a little banner. So I'm adding a few embellishments there, around one on each end of the banner, and then I'm going to complete the inside of a card with a strip of that designer paper, and then it's going to be ready to send for a birthday. I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll give it a try. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com for more details, and be sure to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Take care and happy crafting. Bye-bye.